Welcome to Basic, Easy, and Simple English. My name is Jibung Oh. Today we are going to study English as we study animal names. It is our 7th session. Today we are going to study 5 names of 5 animals. The first animal is beaver. Accent on the first syllable, beaver, beaver. The full name is American beaver. American beaver. The next animal is big horn sheep. So big horn sheep. The name of the sheep is bighorn. Bighorn sheep. The next animal is bison. 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 The full name is American bison. Bison. The next animal is black bear. Black bear. Black bear. The full name is American black bear. American black bear. Next animal is crow. Crow. This is our last animal for today. It is called crow. 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 The full name is American crow. American crow. Okay, we have studied 5 animals. Do you remember the name of the first animal? Yes, it is beaver. Beaver, beaver, American beaver. And then what is the name of the second animal? Okay, the name of the second animal is bighorn sheep. Bighorn sheep, American bighorn sheep. Okay, what is the name of the third animal? Yes, it is bison. Bison, bison, American bison. Okay, what is the name of the fourth animal? Yes, that's black bear. Black bear, American black bear. American black bear. Okay, what is the name of the last animal? Yes, it is called crow. Crow, American crow. American crow. Beaver, bighorn sheep, American bighorn sheep. Bison, American bison. Black bear, American black bear. Crow, American crow. Okay, we studied 5 animals. And then first one is beaver. And do you know how to spell beaver? Yes, it spells B E A V E R. Beaver. Beaver. Okay, what is the name of the next animal? Yes, that's a bighorn sheep. And how to spell it? Big horn, bighorn sheep. Yeah, bighorn sheep. First one is beaver. Second one is bighorn sheep. Okay, third one is bison. Bison. How do you spell bison? Okay, bison, 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 bison. Next one is black bear. Black bear. Yes, it spells B L A C K B E A R. Black bear. Black bear. Okay, what is the name of the last animal? Yes, that's crow. Crow. How do you spell it? Okay, very good. C R O W. Beaver, bighorn sheep, bison, black bear, crow. Okay, this is the conclusion of today's study. I will come back to you with another 5 animals as soon as possible. Until then, keep studying English and have a great day. Bye.